Presenting the 2015 Nissan NV200. It's powered by a 2-liter, 4-cylinder engine and a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include keyless entry, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Inside you'll find Bluetooth connectivity, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side impact door beams, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, iPod integration, cruise control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
This pre-owned vehicle includes a 10-year, 100,000-mile limited drivetrain warranty, a year of scheduled maintenance including 3 oil changes, a tire rotation, and rental car coverage. Don't you deserve the Bill Cole advantage?